go my fireworks show. There go my fireworks show, everybody. Yeah. This what I was talking about. Yeah. Okay, me too. You can see Tiff. Oh. Woo, look at that. Oh, pretty. Dang. There go my fireworks show I've been waiting for. I finally found a place near me to watch the fireworks. Woo! Yay! See, Nyla? And that is what I've been waiting for. Yes. Woo! Yes, I thought I was going to have to go to Lakeshore Drive to see him. All right, but I looked online and I found it. Wow. Hey, happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy 4th of July. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been in all fireworks since I was a kid. Woo! I don't think my granddaughter Nyla's ever seen a fireworks show. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. Awesome, awesome. Wow. Hooray! Wow. Brilliant, beautiful. Yeah, oh wow. You see him, Tiff? I finally found me one. A fireworks show, yay! We used to see them so good on Lakeshore Drive when I was a kid. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Whee! Wow, look at that. Wow. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. If only just to chill with family and have a good time, barbecue, eat, drink, and be merry. All right, guys. I'm about to enjoy the show. Bye.